Today is National Grace Jerk Day, and to celebrate, I am sharing with you a recipe for this juicy oven style jerk pork chop. Grace was kind enough to send me some of their products, and I will be using some in this recipe. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. The first step is to marinate the pork chops, and I am using Grace's jerk marinade. This has a ton of seasoning, so you don't need a lot for the pork chop. It's going to give it a lot of flavor. I've also added the ketchup, and I'm adding honey. And I'm also adding black pepper. I'm using the bone-in pork chops. This helps it to stay really moist and juicy as it bakes. Next, I'm going to add salt, garlic powder, and fresh thyme. Now, I want to point out that this is not an authentic jerk recipe, but it is delicious and it does have the flavors of jerk. My husband, who's Jamaican, only likes jerk when it's grilled, and he absolutely enjoyed this recipe. Now that I've mixed it all together, I let that marinate for about an hour or two. Then I'm going to place it onto a baking pan before placing it into the oven. I'm going to cook this in my oven, but you can also grill this. It will be fantastic over charcoal. Now I'm just taking that extra marinade and just spooning it over the top because it's too good to go to waste. I'm going to place this into the oven and roast it at 425 for 12 minutes and then broil it for the last 5 minutes. It doesn't take long to cook, but you need it to be at a minimum of 145-ish. I cooked it a little bit longer to about 160 and it was still very juicy. And that is it. This is a very simple recipe. Very quick, simple ingredients. Grace's jerk marinade gives this so much flavor with minimal effort, and we thoroughly enjoyed it. And all that's left is for me to enjoy it. Thank you guys for joining me. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, leave me a comment below, and I will see you guys next time.